Every mind-blowing clip you just saw, created in under 2 minutes each. No Hollywood budget, no editing skills, completely free. I'm about to show you exactly how to create viral AI videos that are getting millions of views. But first, you need this app. Let me show you the fastest way to get started. Quick setup, then we dive into the magic.
Welcome to Savvy AI Studio. You'll love it here.
All right, let's get you set up in record time. Grab your phone, open the Play Store or App Store, and search for PixVerse. PixVerse. This is the one with this icon. Tap Install. Once it's downloaded, open it up. Tap the little head icon down here, hit Sign Up, and just use your Google or Apple account. It's the fastest way. 2 clicks, confirm your email with the code they send you, and you are in. It'll ask for a nickname, just skip it for now. You'll see you get 60 free credits just for signing up. Claim them, and let's go make something.
Done? Great. You start with 60 free credits. Each video costs 20 credits. That's 3 videos right now. Ready to create your first viral masterpiece?
Don't worry about credits running out. I'll show you how to get unlimited free credits later. For now, you have enough to follow along with everything we're about to create.
Pure imagination, creating Hollywood quality videos from just text. Watch that.
Tap Text to Video. I'm going to create something that could be in the next Marvel movie. Majestic dragon with iridescent scales soaring through dark storm clouds, lightning crackling around massive wings, cinematic wide shot, epic fantasy movie trailer style. Hit Generate and wait for the magic. This usually takes about 60 seconds. And look at that! This is Hollywood VFX quality from just text. No images, no footage, pure imagination brought to life.
Let's bring photos to life with cinematic animation. This is where static images become movie scenes.
Tap Image to Video. I'm uploading this AI-generated warrior portrait. Here's the secret to cinematic results. Be specific with your animation prompt. I'll type epic close-up cinematic shot, hair flowing dramatically in mystical wind, eyes glowing with magical power, camera slowly zooms in, dramatic lighting shifts, fantasy movie trailer style. And there it is. We just turned a static image into a cinematic masterpiece that could be in a blockbuster trailer.
If you're already seeing the incredible potential here, do me a favor, smash that like button right now. It helps other creators discover this tutorial. And hit subscribe with the bell. I drop game-changing AI tutorials every week. Now, ready for the most viral feature? This next feature is literally breaking TikTok right now. I'm about to show you how to create transformations that get millions of views.
Tap Transition, you'll see 2 boxes, first frame and last frame. I'm uploading a regular photo as the first frame and an anime version of the same person as the last frame. Now I'll add the transition prompt. Smooth, magical transformation, realistic human morphing into an anime character. Art style shifting seamlessly, mystical particles surrounding the change. Let's see what happens. This morphing effect is exactly what's going viral on TikTok right now. People are getting millions of views with transformations like this. Here's another transition trick. Upload the same image to both frames, but zoom in on the second one. Watch this create a perfect cinematic zoom.
Now for the creative tools that make your content absolutely unique. First up, Fusion.
Now, let's get wild with Fusion. This blends up to 3 images into surreal art. I'll combine a jellyfish, a ball gown, and a lighthouse, and type in this prompt. A glowing, translucent jellyfish with long, flowing tentacles draped over an elegant couture ball gown made of flowing silk, with a tall white lighthouse glowing in the distance on a rocky cliff at sunset. Dreamy, cinematic lighting, surreal, high fashion style. I'll then locate each of the mentioned images in the prompt and tap the @ symbol here and choose that image and hit Generate. Watch as PixVerse creates something that shouldn't exist, but looks absolutely magical.
And Extend solves a common problem: short clips. I have this 2-second animation that's too brief. Watch PixVerse analyze the motion patterns and extend it seamlessly. Perfect! From 2 seconds to 6 seconds with no quality loss and natural motion continuity.
Want to go viral tonight? Templates are your secret weapon for instant trending content.
I'm choosing this AI dance template that already has 50 million views. All I do is upload my photo, and PixVerse puts me into a professional dance video. This is exactly the type of content dominating TikTok and Instagram Reels right now. You just created Hollywood-level content in under 30 seconds.
Here's the part most tutorials skip: how to never pay for credits. PixVerse has hidden ways to earn unlimited free credits that 90% of users never discover.
Tap the gift box to open the reward center.
Your daily login bonus, that's 60 credits just for showing up. That's what we claimed when we first signed up. Publishing and sharing a video gives you 20 credits. Then watch the 2 daily ads. Each ad gives you 30 credits. That's a guaranteed 140 credits every single day, just for 2 minutes of your time. Next, go on a claiming spree. Grab the bonuses for downloading the app, rating the app, and customizing your profile. They're one-time bonuses worth 70 credits, so get them now. You can also earn credits by sharing your creations and inviting friends.
My referral code in the description gives you another 60 credits instantly. With these strategies, you'll create hundreds of videos without spending a penny. This is the only AI app this generous. Take advantage before they change their minds.
Here's what separates viral creators from everyone else. It's not just the tool, strategy. I've analyzed thousands of viral AI videos, and there's a clear pattern.
Post your PixVerse creations at 6 p.m. EST for maximum reach. Use trending audio from TikTok's Creative Center. Always add captions. 80% of videos are watched on mute. And here's the secret formula: combine multiple PixVerse features in one video. Start with text to video, add a transition morph, finish with a template dance. That's how you break algorithms.
Okay, you now know everything you need to be dangerous in PixVerse. But I've built something incredible for you. I have 2 completely free resources. First, there's my PixVerse Prompt Starter Pack. 15 copy and paste video prompts plus pro tips to get cinematic and surreal results. The link is in the description, no email required. But if you're serious about mastering AI video creation, I've created the complete PixVerse Masterclass. 15,000 words with 120 viral tested prompts, monetization strategies, and advanced techniques most creators will never discover. That one's also free, but I do ask for your email so I can send you updates when I find new AI tools and secrets. Here's my challenge for you. Create your first viral PixVerse video using what you learned today. Post it with the hashtag PixVerseChallenge. Tag me at Savvy AI Studio. The most creative video gets featured in my next tutorial and wins my complete AI creator toolkit worth $500. What will you create first? A morphing selfie that breaks TikTok? An epic fantasy scene that could be in a movie? Or maybe a viral dance video that gets you famous? Drop your plans in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love seeing your creative ideas. If this PixVerse Masterclass just changed your content creation game forever, smash that like button, hit subscribe with notifications on, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Seriously, this could transform their entire creative process. You now have the complete PixVerse arsenal: text to video for your imagination, image to video for storytelling magic, transitions for jaw-dropping transformations, Fusion for artistic masterpieces, Extend for perfect lengths, and templates for instant viral content. This is Aura from Savvy AI Studio. Remember, the future of content creation is literally in your hands right now. The only question is, what magic will you create first? Now go make something incredible, and I'll see you in the next one.